There is another market on this side. The market is quite huge and wide today. So good afternoon internet. Welcome back to another vlog. Currently, if you haven't seen my previous vlog, I am at Bolpur Shantiniketan. I am staying in this small bungalow type accommodation. This is my father's friend's accommodation. So I am all dressed up in this local outfit I bought from here only, this Punjabi. So in this video I will show you the situation of the Sonajuri Haat after the crisis, COVID crisis. So stay tuned to the vlog and now let's go and show you the Sonajuri Haat. This is the bungalow where we are staying. This in winters these are filled with flowers. On my right, that is the Vishwabharati University, and on the left, those are the quarters, staff quarters for the people who resides here, for the students also and the staff members of the Vishwabharati. And on the right, this is the Vishwabharati University, but since it is restricted, I cannot visit this time over here. Since all the schools, universities are closed, that's why the entry is also restricted over here. So just arrived at the Shonibare Sonajuri Haat. Today is Saturday. That's why specifically I am saying just arrived at the Shonibare Sonajuri Haat. So basically this haat is famous because of the local art. The local art has been displayed over here. That's why it is more famous in this region. So let me give you a short tour. Let's see how's the situation over here after the lockdown. So let's go. So this one is just before to the main Sonajuri Haat. Another upfront, that is the main Sonajuri Haat. Before also there are some people who are sitting selling stuffs. Up front there is another, the main Sonajuri Haat. So this is the Sonajuri Shonibare Haat all over. You can see all over these are the Shonibare Sonajuri Haat. From handloom sarees, local jewelries. Here the local people sits every Saturday and sells the local artwork over here. Basically during winter this place gets filled up. Since this is lockdown time, the crowd is minimal compared to the other times, but still after lockdown the situation has changed to the previous situation only. As you can see, so much of crowd, but this is not that much of crowd compared to the other years. So let's give you a tour of the Shonibare. All these trees over here, this makes the place more interesting because from the movie Bela Sheshe, a Bengali movie, this place got more famous because of all the trees and These all the tree structures over here give this place another different feeling, and the atmosphere is over here is quite soothing because of all the music played by the bowls. The local the folk songs are being sung over here by the local artists. So this makes the special more soothing and satisfying also. So there are many folk singers over here sitting to entertain every crowd over here. And just look at the crowd over here. You can see they are singing and entertaining the crowd. They have only one expectation, that someone will give them some money. So just look at the crowd. Today is Saturday. You can see 31st of October. And just see at the crowd. These are local jewelries over here, quite trending in today's fashion market. These are the earrings, and here are the sarees, local handloom sarees. Majority are from the local market only. Handmade, made from the plants parts only. From different parts of the plants, these are made from seeds parts and other parts. These are totally handmade stuffs. These are handmade bags. Here, both sides, majority of the jewelry shops, handmade jewelries, or the local handloom saris. Majority of the shops I can see, and back there, these are the Punjabi shops, and these different photo frames, photos are sold over here. There is another market on this side. The market is quite huge and wide today. I have also made a video of the Sonajuri Haat before also, but before I came, that was most probably non-Saturday. But today the market is quite huge. It's quite wide. And that's a good thing in this situation, because compact market, the people would be gathered in one small place. But now, due to the widespread of this market, the people are roaming around by maintaining distance, social distancing. So that's a good sign that I noticed in today's Sonajuri market after the lockdown. This is the advantage of this time, because this place has another and different emotion, and the vibe over there is completely different. You can't get this type of vibe anywhere in this world. This place has a special vibe in the land of Tagore. These are some new handworks, artworks, pen holder, and cigarette ashtrays, and Actara. From this place there belongs many notable folk singers. That's why in this area you can see so many actors, small actors, for decoration of the houses, for just dummy actors, I can say. So hope you had a brief idea of how the situation is in the Sonajuri Haat after the lockdown scenario. These are all made of handwork. These are all handwork. Majority are of handwork. So this was all from the Shonibare Sonajuri Haat. It is around 4:37 and sunset will happen at 5 p.m. So after that the market will slowly close, because the market will only sit till the sunlight. After the sunset the market will be totally closed. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, do give the video a like, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till then, bye bye to the Shonibare Sonajuri Haat. The speciality of this place is of handwork. When you come to this place, the first thing that will strike you is the perfection of the handwork by the local artists that are being sold over here. The prices of these are comparatively from her low rate to high rate. As I was telling, these people are selling local products, so try to promote them by buying something from them, because if we don't promote made in India products, then India will never grow, and the poor will be get more poor and the richer will get more richer. So from them try to buy something so that they can also grow and their products are also noticed in every corner of the world. So at the end of the day, that will benefit Indian citizens. So this was one small request from my side to you all.